Okay, the great thing about a funnel builder is you can customize pages. Okay, that's the beauty about having a funnel builder. Yeah, there's a lot of different templates. This is true, but the great thing about templates is you can customize it to your own. Like for me, I've used templates and I can change the colors. I could change the button. I can make the button rounder. I could take a template and make that template completely unique once I'm done with it, right? And when you're working with a funnel builder, you want to start off with a template. Now, I even started creating pages from scratch, from like a blank slate. But even though if I want to do something, pretty quick, I'll just pop open a template and go, I like that template. Let me work with that, and let me just customize it a little bit the way I want, and do some testing and see how that works. It doesn't really change the effectiveness of that template. I'll tell you why. See, people worry about like, oh, well, wait a minute, if these templates are out there and they, all these funnels, is it going to like, dry up and it's not going to work as good? The only thing that happens, guys, with affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you, it's not really the capture pages, because capture pages could always be modified and customized to you, and it'll always be new. What is not new is a sales page in your affiliate marketing program. So if you're promoting something, you have your own capture page, your own bridge page, right, or 3-to-1 redirect with a cold market. What happens is you end up getting ad blindness when it comes to the actual sales page, because a sales page is like it's an ad, really, right? People are opting in, they're looking at an offer. It's like an ad. It's not like an advertising like on YouTube or Facebook or solo ads. But what I'm saying is it's like an ad. People get ad blindness after a while. So if you're promoting something and they see the same thing over and over and over time, well, yeah, that starts to die out a little bit and it doesn't become as effective. Companies, good companies, what they do is after a while, they're always creating new VSLs, okay? Video sales letters. And what that does, it always updates and keep things fresh. Now, if they're not doing this, then that's a problem, because eventually it will get saturated, especially if a company has a lot of affiliates that are pushing the same offer, okay? And this is something that we learn, and bridge pages help with this, but it's always nice to have a fresh VSL. So whenever someone, if you're part of a program and they come out with like a brand new VSL, brand new sales page, okay, brand new funnel, make sure that you do not sleep on this. You get on it right away. Early bird gets the worm when it comes to brand new funnels, brand new offers that are released. Okay, do not hesitate. Trust me. We learned so much about that as soon as a new VSL came out, a new funnel, we launched it immediately. And we've just gotten massive results from just taking that action really, really quickly. However, here's another tip for you. Keep studying marketing, keep learning, keep growing. Because what you're going to do is, as you start becoming more familiarized with sales pages and funnels and things like that, you're going to learn how to create your own VSL eventually. Like ourselves, we have multiple personal VSLs that we've created. We're actually working on a brand new one right now. It's just on pause for a second because we're working on a VSL for a company. So therefore, once we create our own VSLs that's customized to us, that's going to last a lot longer. And so, like I said, if you keep studying marketing, you keep learning how these things work, you can start creating it for yourself. And once you do that, guess what? You have no competition.